Before we get started, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my quick productivity tutorials. Today, I'm going to show you how to cancel a booking in Calendly so you can quickly fix scheduling mistakes or free up time when plans change. First, log into your Calendly account and head to your home page. On the left hand side, you will see the menu. Click on Meetings. This is where all your scheduled appointments are listed. Find the specific meeting you want to cancel and click Details. This will open the full meeting view so you can see the date, time, participants, and any notes. Next, look for the Cancel option. Once you click it, a pop-up will appear asking you to confirm. This step is important. It prevents you from cancelling a meeting by accident. If you are sure you want to cancel, click Yes, Cancel. The meeting will be immediately removed from your schedule and your participants will be notified. And that's it, your booking is cancelled and your Calendly timeline is now up to date. Pro tip: make it a habit to review your upcoming meetings so you can catch any conflicts early and keep your calendar running smoothly. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment and subscribe for more quick, actionable guides.